Well, guess what today is, guys? It's raining outside. Can't see it in the camera too good, but it is raining out. So, biking is not going to happen. And I did go biking yesterday, so whatever. But the real reason I wanted to make this video is to update everybody about, any future bike trail videos. I mean, the one bike trail that I always go to is the one in Marcy, and the one in well, there are a couple bike trails on the other side there, but those two bike trails I'm talking about are the ones that stretch from New York Mills through New Hartford, and then you got the other one at the Clark Mills Westmoreland area, which is known as the Ray Hill Memorial Bike Trails, and that's what I want to do again. Now, there's another bike trail in Rome that, well, before you get to Rome, you gotta go through Oriskany to get to the bike trail there. Then after Oriskany, you get to Rome, and then you're near the Bellamy Park Harbor. And then there's another bike trail that I also go to. I go to the Utica bike trails because they're a lot of fun, and I like to go again. I haven't been there in about a year, so I would love to go to it again. This is my lunch, by the way. That's from yesterday. That's sub. Okay, as everybody knows, about a few weeks ago, my father took my current bike over to a local bike shop called Dick Sonny's, and my bike had not even been serviced in about a year or so, so it really needed it. And I got a loaner bike, which it's a really good bike, but it also needs to be serviced. I mean, the seat needs to be a little bit tighter, and I think the rear brake is starting to rub against the tire. But other than that, it's been a really good bike. So I think that after I get my bike serviced, we'll probably have to get the other one serviced. But it's been pretty good. Now, the one bike I had before the Specialized was the yellow, black, and silver bike. It was a three-tone color, much like the current one I got. That's the bike I've had for the longest. I've had it for 8 years, and it's been a really good bike, but it would start to have flat tires on a regular basis. So, like, on a regular basis, the yellow Trek bike I had would start popping tires like no tomorrow, and it would really be bad. But I do miss that bike, but at the same time I was glad to have it gone for that red Specialized bike. So it's been pretty good for me. And I'm sorry if I'm like chewing really noisily in the video. I do apologize for that. And one of the things that I want to do is I want to work on getting an electric bike, especially an electric bike with fat tires on it, because that's what I want to do. And it'll make it a hell of a lot easier for climbing up hills with it. So the less pedaling you do on an electric bike, the more of a chance that you can get up the hill and still gain enough speed while you're riding. So And there was this one guy that works at Dunkin' Donuts that says that he has a bicycle that you can convert a gasoline engine into, because I've seen a lot of people do that with their bicycles. But the thing of it is, you got to have a license to do that, and even doing so, you'll get in trouble with the law. But I've heard from a good buddy, good friend of mine, that you can get on these gas-powered bicycles without any trouble, and you can still get about 40-50 miles to the gallon with it. You can also compare that with an electric bike, so that's probably what I want to do in my future. We don't know yet. But if there's anybody around here that wants to get together with me on the bike trails for this summer through fall, let me know. You can either send me a message here, or you can get on my Facebook and then message me as well. And you can also shoot me an email. I got both email addresses, even though I don't respond to emails as quickly as I do, because I'm very busy with my schedule. But it would be nice, it would be very nice to get everyone together on the bike trail, so we can get a little, a get together. So if there's anybody around here that wants to, like I say, hook up with me, let me know. We'll get together, and I got Google Maps on my phone and on the tablet, so we can plan a route as we do it. So alright guys, I thought I'd do this video, and we'll go do a little get together. So alright guys, have a good one, and thanks for watching.